Another week, another major class action lawsuit. This time, it's the mortgage industry being impacted, as UWM, or United Wholesale Mortgage, is now hit with a major class action lawsuit with various claims, but mostly for misrepresentation and overcharging borrowers. Many of us in the mortgage industry had a feeling that the majority of these so-called independent brokers were sending the majority of their business to United Wholesale Mortgage. And while I don't think there's anything wrong with that, loyalty is a great trait. And if you're sending the business there because you feel like that is the best partner for you, then again, that's a great thing for your borrower in that transaction. However, where I see the challenge, or what was wrong in this situation, has to do with the misrepresentation. If on your website or in your marketing, you claim to be an independent mortgage broker who will shop multiple lenders for the best deal, but yet you had no intention of doing that, well, that is a problem. And that should have just been something that you relayed to your borrower upfront as to why you chose the lender that you chose. There were so many independent mortgage brokers who sent over 99% of their transactions directly to UWM. Now, for UWM's part, they clearly had a vision and a high level of execution for winning brokers' business. But were they misrepresenting when they said that they would match a prospective borrower to the best mortgage broker in that certain community when they were just matching to the brokers that sent the most business to them? I personally will be following this closely, as I'm very interested to see where this goes. I know that a lot of people have a lot of strong opinions about whether this was right or wrong. I'm curious what yours is, and let's, again, follow to see what happens as this story progresses. Submissions for the California Dream for All are now open, and you can apply for the program if you meet the certain eligibility requirements. Remember, first-time home buyer as well as first-generation home buyer. You also need to have a pre-approval letter specific to Cal HFA that looks like this from a Cal HFA approved lender. After you submit on Cal HFA's website, then you hurry up and wait, because we won't know who wins the lottery for the housing vouchers until May. Everyone has an opinion on when interest rates will go down and how much they will go down. These large banks all issued when they predict the Fed will actually cut rates. The majority still say June is the highest probability of when, and most still show a 75 basis point reduction on the horizon. I know I might be in the minority here, but I still love baseball. And Major League Baseball is coming to Sacramento. It was officially announced that starting in the 2025 season, the formerly Oakland Athletics will play for at least the next 3 seasons in Sacramento at Sutter Health Park. How can you not be excited about this? Good weather, good food, good baseball. I can't wait for next summer. Now, you might say, well, Nick, the A's suck. They don't have any good players. Well, that's fine. Major League Baseball is still Major League Baseball, and they have to play somebody. So you still have all the stars coming through town. And I know that Sacramento is going to represent as a major league city like it is.